Only one squishy box is waiting just for you. Choose your favorite box, beat the timer, and see which cute dumpling is hiding inside. Let's find out. Pick your lucky box, a sweet surprise could be waiting. Yummy! You found the adorable cupcake dumpling. Choose carefully, the tiniest teaser might be inside. Wow! It's the super cute tiny dumpling. Which box is hiding the brightest surprise? Awesome! A colorful dumpling has appeared. Would you rather eat this or this? Choose fast. Did you pick the rotten dumpling? Let us in the comments. If you choose the yummy dumpling, like the video and subscribe to Quiz You Know. Time to pick a fruity mystery box. So fresh and cute, it's the fruit dumpling. Choose a box, maybe you will uncover a sparkling treasure. Shiny, you unlock the Gemstone dumpling. Pick your favorite box, a adorable buddy could be inside. Ah, you found the animal dumpling. Which box smells the sweetest? Delicious! It's the donut dumpling. Choose fast. Something extra fluffy is waiting. So soft, you got the fluffy dumpling. Remember the position of all snacks? Where is the Takis located? It's number 1. Dive into your lucky box. Ocean magic is calling. Splish splash! You found the sea ocean dumpling. Pick one. A tiny collar might be surprise you. What a funny surprise! It's the insects dumpling. Choose your magical box before the timer runs out. Magic unlocked! You found the unicorn dumpling. Which box is hiding soft pastel colors? So pretty! It's the dreamy pastel dumpling. Look closely. Which group doesn't belong? Amazing! Number 1 is the correct answer. Pick your lucky sparkle box. Twinkle time, you found the sparkle dumpling. Choose one, it's ready to shine. Glitter everywhere, you found the glitter dumpling. Which box is hiding the coolest surprise? Refreshing, it's the cold drink dumpling. Only one box hides the sparkle gems, choose now. Jackpot! The Gemstone dumpling is yours. Only one dish doesn't belong. Can you find it? Did you find it? Great job! Roar! Pick a box before the dinosaurs wake up. Roar! You found the dinosaur dumpling. Rainbow surprise incoming. Pick your box. Look at those amazing colors. It's the colors dumpling. Choose wisely. A stylish surprise could be inside. Looking cool, you got the glass dumpling. Ready for the tasty surprise? Pick a box. Yum! It's the fast food dumpling. Use your sharp eyes. Which one doesn't match? Did you beat the timer? Awesome! Make a splash and choose your lucky box. Splash! You found the water dumpling. Only one box hides the sparkling diamonds. Incredible! You unlock the diamond dumplings. Pick quickly, a chilli treat is waiting. Sweet surprise, it's the ice cream dumpling. Choose your comic mystery box. Out of this world, you found the Galaxy Dumpling. Which dumpling did you get? Let us in the comments. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe and come back to more awesome squishy challenge. See you in the next video.